Looking for a fun and easy DIY project that you can make in no time? Check out these macrame daisy keychains. Nicole here, and welcome to Bochinat Macrame. As the name suggests, this channel is all about macrame. We go over DIY pattern tutorials, helpful tips and tricks videos, and knot guides to help you on your macrame journey. If you guys are interested in learning more macrame with me, then click that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos, and then also give this video a big thumbs up. So welcome to the tutorial on mastering the macrame daisy keychain pattern. Whether you're experienced or a beginner just starting out, we'll guide you through the process on how to make this two-color daisy keychain pattern from start to finish. What's unique about this pattern is that we use two different colored cords to create an alternating colored daisy pattern. So definitely make sure to watch all the way through to see how that is done. If you are a beginner with macrame, we do have a lot of other helpful guides and resources you may be interested in. We do have a 50 knots and sentence ebook that's free for download over on bochinat.com. We also have a 2-for-1 cord deal on our premium single strand cord, which is the perfect cord for any beginner or any macrame artist for that matter to work with. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you check out bochinat.com for further details. I really hope you guys will be amazed at how fun and easy this project is to make. And with all of that said, let's get started. I've used 4mm macrame cord for this pattern along with a swivel lobster clasp. You will need two different colored cords to make this alternating colored daisy pattern. I'll be using a 4mm single strand cord in natural. This is a nice sturdy cord from our rainbow cord line. It is not only sturdy, but it doesn't unravel too easily, which makes it great to work with. The other color I'll be using is 4mm dusty mauve on the left. And I will be using a strand of each color to make the alternating daisy patterns. Here I have one gold lobster clasp that I will be using for the keychain. Taking our lobster clasp and one strand of 115 centimeter long cord in one color, attach it onto the bottom of the lobster clasp with a reverse lark's head knot. Make sure that the strand of cord is folded in half, and then we take the loop end through the bottom of the lobster clasp and then pull the two cord ends through. Now taking your other 115 centimeter long cord in the second color, we're going to place it horizontally on top of the two vertical cords. And we're going to take the middle two cords underneath and we're going to make a half hitch knot. The half hitch knot on both sides are going to be made facing the inside of the pattern, like so. Once the two half hitch knots are made, make sure that the anchor cord ends are even at the bottom. So pull on them if necessary to make sure that both ends are even. Now with the middle two cords again, we're going to take the middle left cord and we're going to make a double half hitch knot onto the far left anchor cord. Then taking the middle right cord, make a double half hitch knot onto the far right anchor cord. Now we're going to fold over the two anchor cords on top of the vertical cords, like so, and then taking the middle right cord, make a half hitch knot facing the right side, and then the left cord, make a half hitch knot facing the left side. Then pull on the 2 anchor cords to tighten. Now we are complete with our very first daisy pattern. To make our second daisy pattern, we're going to alternate the working cord ends. So we're going to take the mauve color from the back, take those ends and crisscross it on top of the natural colored cord ends. Then taking the middle 2 cords underneath, which are the natural colored cords, we're going to start off the next daisy with 2 half hitch knots facing the sides of the pattern. So the left half hitch knot facing the left side, right half hitch knot facing the right side, similar to how we closed off the first daisy pattern. Now, similar to the first daisy, make a double half hitch knot on the left and right sides. Now we're going to crisscross the anchor cords on top of the vertical cords and finish off with a half hitch knot on both sides. Now that this second daisy pattern is complete, we're going to continue alternating these 2 colored daisy patterns. So after one daisy pattern is complete, bring the bottom cords up to the top crisscross and then start over again. Make 3 more alternating daisy patterns below. Once done, this is what the pattern should look like. And then to seal off the ends, we're going to make a gathering knot. We're just going to turn the pattern upside down, taking our 30cm strand of cord, make a loop with one end, then take the longer end and wrap it around a few times. Then take that end through the loop we made in the beginning and pull on the top end to pull the knot underneath the gathered cords. Then trim off the excess cords and trim the cords at the bottom of the pattern. And you have now reached the end of the tutorial. Congrats on mastering the Macrame Daisy keychain pattern. You have now created a beautiful accessory that you can gift to loved ones or you can make to sell. I do recognize that starting any kind of business is tough in the beginning, so if you are finding it hard creating your own macrame designs, you are able to make our Bochi knot patterns and sell them if you'd like. If you guys are interested in leveling up your skills with macrame, you guys can check us out on patreon.com/bochinot, where we go over more advanced macrame techniques. So you guys can check us out there. And don't forget to share your Bochi knot inspired creations with us at Bochi knot on Instagram. Remember, the possibilities with macrame are endless, so keep exploring and keep creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. So welcome you loved ones, or